jerk chicken. What me say? Chicken run from we because we jerk chicken. Look at this chicken. Tasty. Look at the chicken. Look at that. We jerk chicken. Chicken food than we because we jerk chicken. We're the best of the business. Everywhere we go, we got crowd. We don't get queue, we got crowd. Chicken cooked with love. Our chicken is slowly cooked, marinated over time. The season to the bone. I'm gonna say, we jerk chicken. Look at this. No one do chicken like we. We jerk chicken. Yo, can call me Mr. Jerk. I don't mind. Can call me a jerk. I don't mind. I'll jerk you. I jerk chicken. I jerk beef. I don't jerk pork. Pork to be eat. Alright. Straight up, boss. We jerk chicken. Yo. We do chicken. We do chicken. Carnival. Nothing else. We run the place. We jerk chicken. Check it. We are the best. We are the business. Award winning from Nottingham. We are Caribbean flavors from Nottingham. Yeah, waiting. Chicken. We cook chicken. We jerk chicken. We roast chicken. And we sell chicken.
Water, I want to get the smoke over there.
Okay.
The smoke I want to get.
Ready? Come get the chicken.
I love it.
I want you to talk about, what do you think about the Jamaican jerk chicken?
I love the jerk chicken. I've actually got jerk pork today and it's really delicious. It's so good.
Alright. And you believe it's one of the best chicken?
The best chicken in Carnival. The best pork in Carnival. The best pork I've had.
Wait, that's not my chicken.
It's the pork from
Is that his chicken? What do you think about the Jamaican jerk chicken?
I think this is going to be the most amazing jerk chicken that you can ever get in the carnival.
Yeah?
It looks amazing. Look at this. Look at the roll of that chicken here. But I think this is like the best that you're going to get.
I think it's one of the world's best chicken ever eaten.
Let me taste it. Hold on a second. I'm going to have a little bit now.
Very, very, very good.
It's the best. It's the best
Caribbean
chicken
flavors
yet.
in Nottingham.
It's the best.
It's the best.
It's lovely.
100%?
100%. My eyes are watering. Look at that. I'm crying. I'm fucking crying.
Alright, nice one, man.